Hello everyone, welcome to Cedar Home Store. Today let me take you through our retro mode collection. This collection is with wicker work. So basically a wicker refers to the synthetic or natural vines woven into a pattern. So here it is the synthetic vines that has been used for the weaving. It's highly durable and easy to maintain. This collection is available in a combination of woods. There are furnitures made of teak, mindi and oak. The seating of these furnitures are of high density foam and Symphony Mills high-end fabric.
We have some exclusive pieces from this collection here. Let's have a look at them now.
Armchairs are now one of the most stylish chairs that are available in today's market that were once considered to be an outdated seating option. It enhances the aesthetic of any room they are placed in. A high armrest with backrest is a good option for a comparatively upright seating position. Here we got two variants from the same style. These are made of Bermuda teak. One with cushion backrest and other one with wooden frames and wicker work. Armchairs can be used in the living, bedrooms or foyers in a residential space. It can also be used in the resorts as a lawn chair. We have a TV unit as well in the same collection. It's of 2.1 meter in length. It's made of mindi wood with black polish. Next is a three-seater from this collection. The highlight of this furniture is its tall backrest with the high density foam. This one is with low backrest and high armrest in teal blue tone fabric. Both are made of mindi wood with black polish. The speciality of this wood is the visibility of its grains and nodes. This bookshelf is from the same collection. This is in mindi wood. Black finish of the mindi wood and the yellowish color of the wicker gives the whole shelf a classy retro look which could catch anyone's attention. This bedside table is also in oak with curved edges. These curves enhances the beauty of the product. It has got good storage space and open as well as a drawer. We have a console from the same collection. Console is in oak finish. It can be placed against walls in foyers or hallways. Can be used to keep a unique mirror or a piece of beloved artwork which automatically creates one's focal point. This dining table is also from the retro mode collection. The tabletop of this dining table is made of teak wood with mahogany legs. You can see the wicker work on this dining chairs. The curved backrest of this chair makes it very comfortable to sit and also adds on to its aesthetics. These chairs with the arms can explicitly complement the decor of the dining room and add to your comfort and ease.
Thank you for watching. See you all next time with another video.
Please like, share and subscribe.